No!
3, 2, 1.
Okay. What did you do?
Hey guys! Now guys here, we messed up the audio on the first seconds of this video, but the mirror is covered and we're going to have some fun. Hey guys, color reveal for you because she still can't see it there. Super annoying.
Yeah.
Soft color. Don't try to keep.
Oh.
Also, just cut this off.
No! Oh my fuck. Oh god. Okay. The only thing I can go. Ja, dit is echt wel. Word je nou expres allemaal naar voren? Om mij nog zenuwachtiger te maken? Oh, oké. Oh my god. Bye bye.
Sorry. Yep.
What sorry?
I pulled.
Oh.
I don't want to pull your hair.
I thought you were gonna say sorry, now we have to do a buzz cut. Oh. Oh god. Oh,
It's the closest thing to a buzz cut without getting a buzz cut.
oh god. Oh, daar is niks over. Ik voel het gewoon aan je.
It's annoying. I don't have a mirror to style it.
Complaining.
Yeah,
So demanding.
absolutely. Yep. We can do it two ways.
Okay.
Either you're going to cover your eyes.
Yeah.
You'll open your eyes when we're counting 3 to 1 or
And I
something
can
like that.
yell, and I can yell at you. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Or I turn the chair around, remove it, and then turn you around.
No, I'll close my eyes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I don't dare. Oh my god, this is gonna be rough.
One more time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Do it.
Oh my fucking god! What did you do? No, I love it. Oh, whoa! Jesus Christ! Oh, I got such a nice
Yep.
long face now. This is very different than what it was. Oh wow! Oh, I do like this.
Yeah.
It's really sharp. I love it.
My heart was pounding as well.
It all turned out
If
good.
there's one critical client, it's this one. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the trust. See you in the next video.